In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you'll need to generate the embed code from your calendar service. For many people, that means Google Calendar, but the process is similar in other services. Open your calendar, head to the sharing or publishing options, and look for the embed option. The service will give you a snippet of code, typically an iframe, or a small JavaScript block. Copy that code to your clipboard. A quick tip: while you're here, check any visibility settings so the events you want to share are actually visible to anyone who visits your site. You can also customize the default size or color in the calendar settings before copying, which saves you time later. Next, log into your Hostinger account and open the website builder for the site where you want the calendar to appear. Make sure you're editing the correct website and the right page. If you have multiple pages, decide where the calendar makes the most sense. Your home page, an events page, or a contact page are common choices. Take a moment to preview the layout so you know where the embed will fit visually. Now, add the embed element to your page. In the website builder, find the element labeled embed code or something similar. Click and drag that element to the spot on the page where you want the calendar to appear. Place it roughly where you want the calendar to display, because that gives you a clear sense of spacing and alignment as you continue editing. Once the embed element is in place, click its Enter Code button or the area that prompts you to paste code. Paste the calendar embed code you copied earlier into the field. After you paste, it's a good idea to check how it looks inside the builder. If your calendar appears too large or too narrow, return to the calendar settings and adjust the width and height, or use the builder's resizing handles to refine the fit. Keep responsiveness in mind so the calendar looks good on phones and tablets, as well as desktops. Finally, save and publish your changes. Click the embed code element to confirm, then select Update Website or Publish to make the calendar live. After publishing, open your site in a new browser tab and verify the calendar displays and functions correctly. If any events aren't showing, revisit the calendar's sharing settings and the embed code to confirm everything was copied correctly. That's it. You're done.